Hello everyone, welcome back to Digger Evans Model Railway. We're going to look at this building today. Obviously I'm not going to do everything on camera because it's going to take forever and ever. I will time how long it's taken me from start to finish, and at the end we'll know how many hours I've put into the building. The first thing we need to do when we're starting off with a building like this is open the box, get the pieces out that we're going to be working with, open this bag, get everything out if we can. I am accompanied by a few animals in here. I've got a stupid ass parrot to deal with and stuff. Now, first job, get rid of all these things that have been on the sprue, and so we'll do that. We'll do that first of all. I'm just using these snippers. Hang on, silly dog, just hang on. Yeah, any of these snippers will do for this. Just these sprue cutters. Get all the bits off, and then we can. I'm sorry about the background noise. That's we've got a baby Rottweiler, and he's liking to chew on everything. So he's got a plastic bottle at the moment, plastic pop bottle to keep him occupied. So that's that. The basic four walls have all had the sprues cut, and I'm using this little beauty to remove any excess burrs, only on the edges. You can only use this for edges, but it does work well. So if there is any excess stuff about, we can quickly clean it with this. Just check around the edges. Just check around the edges, and if you feel a burr, something, you just run that along there. Brings any stuff out. So we do that to all the pieces. You see this has got quite a rough edge here, and so I'll get that out of there. And then we'll go in with some sandpaper or a sanding block and remove these things we can see along the top, you know. That's the first job. And when we've done all that bit, the next bit will be preparing them for the paint. So hopefully that'll be the next step, and I'll get that ready now. Right, I've prepared all these for paint, and they're all the same. And what you can see is the walls after. I'm using this stuff to coat them. I'm not going to make you watch me paint all the walls because it'll be very boring. Red leather from Vallejo, and I've diluted it a little. I'm using the 450 micron needle in the Iden Steenbeck Ultra, and we'll just start giving these a coat. There's going to be a lot of work to do. I can't possibly do it all in one video. I've already discovered that, so it is going to be 2, maybe 3 videos. There's nothing I can do. I just haven't the time. It's going to take me over a week or 2 to do it all in one and stitch it all together. And so I'm sorry about the noise, people, but I'm going to hopefully drown out that noise by putting this on. And if you've got headphones on, just be aware there's going to be a big noise of the suction on the fan. going as well with that, as good as I want, so I'll speed it up a bit. A couple of splashes on there, which I'm not happy about. Right, as you can see, that's took a couple of coats just over that and make it look half decent. I'm going to do all of them and dry them off, and the next video you're going to see is me painting some of these in, all the window frames, lintels, etc. And finally the build of it, so it's probably going to be 3 videos or something that they like, plus the weathering we've got to do and the making it look like it's been there for 120 years plus. So that's all it is for now, just a quick update and a start on this building, from cleaning this bruise, sanding it all down, prepping it and painting it. Thank you all ever so much for looking in, I really do appreciate it, and thanks for sticking with me. And I'm sorry about the racket and the noise and the parrots and everything. I just haven't got a quiet place right now to go and make videos, which is really, really annoying for me. And I can imagine it is for you as well, viewing it. But thank you all the same. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye for now, my friends.